Hello class, we're going to start a new lesson on the fitness components that we've been testing in class. You're going to take those scores and start comparing and analyzing what they mean, and then developing your own goal statement for something that you want to accomplish this year, as well as a plan to do so. So on the website, it has several different activities. You're going to go through each of these pages. And on each page, you're going to find some information to explore. And then at the bottom of the page, you'll find an activity to complete. So in this case, you're going to complete a Padlet. As we go to the next page, this is going to look a little bit at the research that shows why we need to use physical activity. It's been proven to be helpful. So we're going to look at not only our physical health, but our mental health and how that's affected. And then you have an opportunity to write a reflection after collaborating with your peers. You're going to look at fitness through a personal trainer. So looking at the professional, how do they work with clients and what types of things do they take in consideration when working with that client? After this one, you're going to do a little video discussion. So this is an opportunity to share some of your thoughts with your peers and then also respond to some of their reflections. And last is the goal setting. This is the fun part. You take your particular scores and you're going to analyze them, come up with a goal statement. But in addition to that, you have an opportunity to explore some different workouts and how you can build and create your own workout. And then you'll meet with me to discuss that plan. And finally, at the end, you'll submit your goal setting form in your Google Doc. So all throughout this project, you can come see me anytime for any extra help. I'll be available during the class time to work with you individually. Additionally, you can email me if you're at home or come see me before school if you want to work on something before the next class period. So have fun, good luck, collaborate, talk, make it meaningful, and I look forward to seeing what your goals are.